Hello everyone, welcome to the new lab module. Today I will teach you how to install Kali Linux on a VMware, that is a virtual machine. Okay, let's go ahead. Here you can see I will just click on the typical create a virtual machine, then next. Now browse for the location where I want to do. From here I want to install it. Okay, this is the installer file. Then click on next. Okay, here I will choose the Linux that I want to install. Guest operating system will be Linux. Okay, and now I will name the virtual machine. Okay, again I can name anything that I want. Kali. Okay, I will install it to the source folder. I'll make a new folder. I'll install it in that folder. Okay, now I will allocate the disk space in this 20 or 50 GB, let's say. Okay, and then click on next. Okay, finish. Now I will power on the virtual machine and then I will click on don't show, then OK. Now it will take some time. It is coming up. Now I'll click on graphical installation. Now you see on the screen the installation is now in progress. Okay, now I'll choose the language English, continue, and then location will be, let's keep it United States, continue, and keyboard language will be American English, continue. And now you can see it is installing. Here you can see IP DCHP servers are getting configured. Now the host name I'm keeping Kali. Okay, I'll just continue it without doing anything over here. Now I will create a user account. I'll put any name over here. And now the password is important. Whatever password that you are keeping over here, you need to remember that password. I'll keep any password. Okay, retype the password again, it will be same. Okay, now continue. Great. So now I'll just configure the clock, which is the Eastern time zone. I'll keep it like this, and now you can see detecting the disk, and now it is getting the into the final installation. Okay, now use the entire disk. I will keep. Okay, continue, and then over here recommended for new users, all files in one partition only. I will keep it like this. So I don't create a new one. Okay, no new disk I will create over here. Okay, installing Kali is very easy. Okay, if you follow the simple steps. Now you just see on the screen what I'm doing. Okay, again I'm going ahead and clicking on yes, continue. Okay, enter device memory. Right, now the installation is completed. Okay, now the system is rebooting. You can see over here it is done now. Okay, so now we will check with the internet connection if the internet connection is available or not. Okay, let's check with the YouTube. Okay, now you can see the YouTube is also coming up over here. So that means we have the internet also in this Kali VMware. Right, that's all for this videos, guys. And I thank you very much for watching this video. Till then, have a good day. Bye.